Diolch, Dir Brylwydd. Last week I was very pleased to join Mencap Cymru at Stackpole Gardens in my constituency to celebrate a truly significant milestone, the organisation's 80th anniversary. The event reflected on Mencap's proud history and recognised the work it carries out to support people with a learning disability so they can live fulfilling, independent lives and that families and carers can receive the support that they need. Now, this week is also Learning Disability Week, and this year's theme, Do You See Me?, focuses on employment. Sadly, while many employers in Wales recognise that people with a learning disability can be valuable and productive members of the workforce, too many are still not taking that step to employ them. Mencap's research suggests that this is not about cost, but it's about confidence. Employers are often concerned about getting it wrong, about health and safety, or about how best to provide support. And yet, in reality, most adjustments can be simple, low cost, and entirely achievable with the right guidance. At a time when there are labour shortages and economic inactivity, we must not overlook the talents and contributions of people with learning disabilities. They want the opportunity to work, to contribute, and to be seen. And so on that note, I'd like to say a big thank you to Mencap Cymru for the work that they do to support people with learning disabilities in Wales. They are truly transforming lives. And I urge all members to show their support for Learning Disability Week. Yeah.